linguine with shrimp and lemon oil. The ingredients are shrimp, lemon zest, chopped shallots, chopped garlic, chopped parsley, arugula, and lemon juice. Whatever you see here, I'll put it in the description box. First, add your half cup of olive oil. Then the 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. Now mix. Now we're going to cook our pasta. In the boiling water, add your olive oil and some salt. Now add your linguine pasta. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to cook the shrimp. First, heat your pan on a low heat. Next, add your oil. Now, add your chopped garlics. Now add your shallots. Then sort everything until it gets soft. Now it's time to add the shrimp. Add your shrimp. And now stir. Now add your salt and pepper. Then your lemon juice. Stir. Now add your lemon zest. Now pour your lemon juice. And continue stirring. Now let the shrimp cook both sides. Now add your cooked pasta. Here. Now turn off the heat. start stirring. Now add your parsley and arugula. Everything? Mm-hmm. Now add your lemon zest oil. Mix it well.